I don't think there is any words to describe just how beautiful it is to live out here. You have separation from each home. Those views are incredible. You have a 3-car garage in this house. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,700 square feet, priced at $825,000. Think about what those $825,000 gets you anywhere else. California, Arizona. This house is a masterpiece. Beautiful desertscaping. This entrance is absolutely stunning. I love this rock. I mean, just wait till you see the inside. Absolutely custom built homes. Look at the woodwork. I would never want to leave my house if I lived in a place like this. I'm going to take you through the rooms really quick. So this is a small half a bath for your guests. Look at the detail for those people that like the nichos. Beautiful skylights. They have this set up as a little workout area. But look at the detail of this house, the ceilings. Aren't those beautiful? You have 2 rooms right next to each other. The detail continues through every single one of these rooms. Shared bathroom. That quartz. No, it's not quartz. That is granite. There's everything to love about this bathroom. These finishes on the walls are extremely beautiful. Like, you wouldn't even want to put anything on these finishes. You don't want to mess up the style of this wall. The laundry room. No real crazy space. You do have a 3-car garage. Let me show you where the magic happens in this house. Look at this kitchen. That absolutely stunning. I believe this is a GL Greenville, just because you know who does this. It looks like a wood fireplace. And look at down there, more space for your pots and pans, stacked microwave and oven. Look at how beautiful that looks. And then of course you have the Oregon mountain views out here. Go and check out the primary suite. As soon as you walk in, you have an office. So you walk into the primary bathroom, double sink, beautiful tub right in the middle, huge walk-in closet. It's nice that it has a window. Most closets are just closets, so you don't feel so enclosed in there. Look at how pretty that ceiling is. Now I am wanting you guys to take a look at this backyard because this is the showstopper right here. We are known for creating beautiful outdoor living spaces. And this one just beautiful pool with a hot tub. Views are incredible from up here. And then of course you have outdoor living. Probably put a TV right up there. You have your grill. You're not getting any sun here at all during the day. So if you want to do this during the day, you have a sink. And let's go and take a look upstairs. I haven't been here, so I will just be just as surprised as you guys. Continue. Solar. $825,000 for this. Sometimes I see what other realtors post in other places for $2 million and does not match. Out here you buy serene, you buy peaceful, you buy tranquility. It's a lifestyle of you're not living out alone, but you're not living in a subdivision. Isn't this incredibly beautiful? Can you imagine yourself out here? Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the area. Let me know what you think of the house. This is East Mesa, Dripping Springs area. I'm in absolute awe. And trust me, these houses, like, they come up, and sometimes I think you're not buying a house, you're buying the lifestyle. The house, we can find you. But oh my God, I am so in love with this house.